This is my white build PC for 2024. I'm so excited, so let's build this stuff right here. I will use the Darkflash DS900 PC case. I'll be using the Gigabyte Z790 motherboard for this setup. I will use the Intel i7-14700K. It has 8 performance cores and 12 efficient cores with a total of 20 cores. I'll be using the T-Force Delta DDR5 with a speed of 6400 MHz. For storage, I'll be using the WD Black SN850X 1TB NVMe SSD. For power, I will use the Corsair RM750. For fans, I will use the Lian SL120. For CPU cooler, I will use the Aorus Waterforce X2360. For GPU, I will use the Gigabyte AERO RTX 4060 Ti.